Okay, hi guys, and welcome back to another gesture/figure drawing tutorial. We have a standing figure. I start with the head. I draw lightly in the beginning, head, neck. Then we have a rib cage coming out, going this direction. So we're having this situation, come here and there, and it's doing something like this. Okie dokes. So then what are the legs doing? One leg is coming down straight, continues, and heel is up. It's doing something like this. And let me just have a look at the pelvis. This side is higher, this side is lower, so we're having this kind of situation. So the other leg is coming in front. It's here, and also one heel is, the heel is up and is going into nothingness here, into extreme foreshortening. And this line looks funny already. Okay, so now what are the arms doing? One arm is coming out here, fairly straight line, going up in an angle, hand, and the hair is going this way, and the other arm is also, I'm going only for direction, is here and is coming here. And yeah, so we have, this is too high. We have the pelvis here. This is the rib cage. We come down here like this. Then we have the split, and then I'm looking for the pelvis, and in this case the buttocks muscles, like this and like this. Center line is going here and into quite an angle here, going towards the split. Okay, so far so good. Or so bad as you want to see it. Okay, then we have this here, and one is going this way, and then the leg is, I'm only using a cylinder in the beginning for the leg. It comes here and is going into the knee, and it's doing something like this. It's maybe a little bit too long, but better too long than too short. Okay, then we come here, and his leg is actually almost same height. Somehow my brain tells me it's supposed to be, but both are lifted, supposed to be higher, so the knees are somehow kind of on the same height. And we come here and go here and here. Okay, so we're having this situation, this coming here, this coming here. Now, from the neck is the trapezius muscle, and is going into the deltoid, is here, and then we see the biceps a little bit here, and then it's going around into the forearm, and we're having the condyles here, and of course the scapula is doing something like this. I'm still drawing very lightly because I'm not quite sure where the lines go, and so I can easily correct them, draw over them, and I don't have to use my eraser all the time, which is not nice, but sometimes necessary. Okay, so we're having the biceps here, coming here, condyles going up, and is doing something like this into the hand. Okay, so now I'm getting a little bolder. I don't know if that is a good idea, but I'm just doing it. Okay, so we have in the hair is all going to this side, gestural line here, split. I'm just articulating this a little. Comes here and going here, and this is in shadow. The table is all wobbly. It's really unstable table. Okay, so we coming here, and then we come here and go into the calf. Same on this side, and continue the line here. Go here, and we see a little bit of the underside, and that's it. Okay, so I think it's difficult to tell, but I think this leg is in front. We come here and come here, go here, and doing something like this, and here is fairly straight and doing something like this. Okay, good. So this line of the hip is in front. This is going up a little, and scapula again here, going to the acromion process on this side as well. And okay, so going round the form a little. This goes here. And some indication of that. And rib cage is here, and I'm not quite happy with the center line, but it comes here and is doing something like this and like this. And maybe this line is a bit stronger, and maybe better like this. Yep. trapezius, deltoid muscle. And okay, so I think that is it. Couple of touch-ups here and there. Actually, I forgot to draw the hand, which is no big deal. This connection here is more like this, going here, and from there the deltoid muscle starts from behind and going here, and from there the biceps muscle starts. And okay, so I leave it where it is. I see you in the next video. Take care, guys, and see you soon.